How to insert full page image in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you easiest way. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay, so guys, I'm on my Google Docs. First we need to insert the images. Okay, but as of now there is no any option to use the background image in Google Docs page, but I'm going to show you one trick which you can use, and you can make the full page image as a background in Google Docs. Okay, first we need to insert the image. Go to the image insert and go to the, you can upload the image from your computer. For now I just search from the internet. Okay, so I have inserted one image here. Now just select that image, go to the image options and click on the wrap text option under the text wrapping. Okay, go to the wrap text. Now go to the margin from text. Okay, just make it 0. Okay, you have to make 0 top and bottom and left or right. Now go to the position and make it fixed position on the page. Okay, now come on image, just click on it and click on that right side corner, and you can maximize this and fit it on the page. Okay, so you can see I have make this image the background image of this first page. Now just again click on it, just close this window, just again click on that image and use the option called behind the text. Okay, now you are enabled to write your text on that image. Okay, you can simply change the color of that text and your size. Okay, so that is how you can make full page image in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.